Thank you. Imagine yourself running with your dog on a beautiful Sunday morning. Suddenly, you become two bodies floating in space for a few million years. I know, quite difficult to imagine. But my question is, will your body move away from your dogs as the universe expands? This is Shiraz, and today's video is going to be about the universe expansion theory. Let's go, Jack. Since antiquity, many representations of the universe were vortex to cosmology. And until 1931, the physicist Albert Einstein believed in a static universe, before finally accepting its expansion.
But what is exactly an expanding universe and what are its consequences?
To find out about this, keep watching. According to this theory, the universe expansion is a consequence of the Big Bang. This expansion was first observed by the astronomer Edwin Hubble, who noticed an increase in the wavelength of light emitted by distant galaxies.
But what the hell does it have to do with the universe expansion?
Well, by using the light that comes to us from the cosmos, it becomes possible to determine what stars, for example, are made of. Because the absorption lines observed on the spectrum of this light source are characteristic of precise atoms.
So everything is fine.
Wait a minute. Looking closer at a spectrum, we notice that the absorption lines are not exactly where they should be. Indeed, their wavelength is higher, and the further the light source is away, the more pronounced this shift is.
But what is this shift supposed to mean?
Well, in his book, The Universe in Your Hand, Christoph Goldfarb uses a very interesting metaphor. Thank you. Did you notice that when tuning a stringed instrument, the tighter the string is, the higher the sound is? Did you understand?
Yes.
To celebrate that, let's play some baby food, and I'll explain you later what that metaphor means.
Okay.
Well, Christoph Goldfarb says that the universe expansion theory is based on the same principle, replacing sound by light. When the universe expands, all the crests that define the light as a wave move from each other, and the color to which they correspond change. It is what we call redshifting. In interpreting this phenomenon, scientists concluded that the universe was expanding.
Just how we stretch a guitar string.
Exactly. Plus, observations and measurements made on distant galaxies showed that the speed of this expansion was increasing, an expansion fueled by dark energy, a mysterious force that opposes gravity. In consequence of this expansion, the galaxies do not move away from us. It's the distance that separates us from them that increases. I know, quite confusing. The distance between you and Jack will increase. Sorry for that, Jack. But if you exert a force on each other, it will be too powerful to be affected by the expansion. This was Shiraz in 3-Minute Physics. See you again in a new episode.